What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. Today I'm gonna talk about the algorithm function of number. For example, what if we want to know the absolute value of some number? What should we do? We just use absolute function, just like absolute function 10 or absolute function minus 10. Yeah, you can see the outcome is also 10. Or we can also use absolute function minus 200. The outcome is 200. And in the previous video, we know 2 to the 5th power is 32. And in this video, we can also use power function, just like power 2 and 5 is 32, or we use power function 2 and 10 is 1024. In another way, we can import math function to get more method of algorithm to calculate. For example, we use math.pi to know the pi's value is 3.141592, or we use math.cosine 10 or math.cosine 100, or we use math natural logarithm 5, or we use math logarithm base 10 to 100. The outcome is 2. It is very simple, right? Alright, today we have talked about the algorithm function of number. If you like this video, please keep thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.